Mr. Speaker, sir. I have some medical condition which is temporary, which makes it difficult for me to stand and talk. May I only stand for a few seconds. I honor your chair, Mr. Speaker, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, I want to add my voice onto Mr. LACAMBEL. Mr. LACAMBEL is a senior citizen. He has been an elder. He made great contributions in the peace process. Even when he was already an elder, he was already in his 60s, and he did quite a lot for this part of the country, restoring peace in Acholi sub-region. Mr. Speaker, sir, it makes me reflect on the contribution of elders in the community. When Mr. LACAMBEL was now suffering illness, pain, and poverty, he was already an elder. He spent all his resources. I've been made to understand he even had to sell off most of his assets to take care of his illness for medication and well-being. That is what the elders go through. I reflect very strongly on what elders go through in their later life when they become sick and finally die. I saw what LACAMBEL went through. Most of it was also being shared on social media. It was not very easy. And yet, this was a great man who contributed tremendously towards peace. And as many people say, when somebody finally passes on, then the community and everybody comes to recognize the contribution of such a person. So let us as City Council do something for our elderly population. In their old age, in their sickness, as they suffer, we should support them. I want to support the deliberation that central government and the office of the president should do something to support the family of the late LACAMBEL Johnny Baptist. We need that support to the family. He missed out the support, and yet he made great contributions. Let us now recognize and do something for his family. When people become old, several sicknesses come to them. Diabetes, pressure, ulcers, name it. Arthritis, they go through a lot. And at such time in their lives, they need a lot of support. I implore council to do a lot more to this section of the population. We should not write them off. They are still constructive and useful in our communities. See what LACAMBEL did when he was already old. I support also the contribution. I second the contribution that as a community, as a council, we should support and remember the program of going back to 60s cultural gala, to bring back, to restore hope, bring the population together, the elderly population, so that they can come together, share experiences, and see how they can be helped.
Thank you.
I submit.
Thank you. I have also been made to understand that amidst us is the LC1 of Iriaga, Lalia. Please, Chairperson, you are most welcome.